On my screen right now, you can see some of my results from our agency. I actually got these results by sending cold emails the right way. Cold email is by far the most effective lead generation channel and something I've personally used for the last 10 years in our business. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal to you my process for writing the perfect cold email scripts that you can literally copy and paste into your own cold email campaigns to start booking hundreds of sales calls a month. Let's break down what I mean into 3 different sections. So let's start with the subject line. Think of this as your first impression. If someone sees the subject line and it's off, incorrect, too wordy, your email is not going to get open, leading to you wasting your resources. Then we get into the body of your email. This is where you can tactically share how you can help the specific avatar achieve a specific result and speak to their pain points and their desired outcomes. And the last section that we're going to hit on is the call to action. This is how we get the contacts to leads, to book calls, to actually clients. But we need to do the right call to action. It's not going to be a sales pitch. We need to remember that we are reaching out to likely cold prospects who have no idea who we are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through 3 different offers that you can use that you can have a lot of context on how to actually use cold email in your business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up instantly and then I'm going to write the emails with you. So the first offer that I'm going to write copy for is if you do lead gen, but steal these same principles and use these principles when writing the cold email. For the subject line, I'm just going to do hi, and then I'm going to click on the lightning bolt first name. That's going to be the subject line. The reason I'm going to use this subject line is because it's going to pique their interest. We're going to say hi, first name. Love that. I'm going to find my personalized line that I wrote for them. And the reason we have a personalized line is because we basically want to make our emails not feel like a cold email that it's going to be a blast to everybody. We want to make this feel like a very personalized reach out. So the personalized line is going to start with your list, and your list is going to be extremely important to build correctly, to add personalized lines. So that way, when you're sending emails, you have the personalized line because that's only going to increase the likelihood of them responding, which is going to increase the likelihood of them becoming a client. So now I'm going to write, curious if you also struggle to engage your community and get patients struggling with migraines, back pain, or whiplash injuries. So this is posing a question to them, asking them if they struggle to engage the community and get patients struggling with common things that their patients struggle with. And then my next line is going to say, the reason I ask is because we help chiropractors get 5 new patients per week using our Chiro social system. Average cost per lead is $5 without having to attend another local event or send direct mail. We're sharing specifically how we help chiropractors achieve the desired outcome and are calling out the desired outcomes of chiropractors, which is they want to get new patients every single week at a low cost per lead. And then what we're also doing is we're highlighting the Chiro social systems. And then finally, we added in a without section, which is talking to their pain points. So for this instance, without having to attend another local event or send expensive direct mail. Our last section is going to be our call to action. Could I shoot you over a video explaining exactly how it works? They're going to want to understand how you could potentially help them. And the best way to do that is just inviting them to say yes to receiving a video from you. And we just close this off with a little best Austin company name. So the next offer is going to be if I am an agency that does AI chatbots for personal injury law firms and I help convert the website traffic into a actual appointment using my AI chatbot. For the email subject line is I'm going to do thoughts, question mark, not seeming salesy necessarily, thinking that it can literally be their front desk person sending them an email. Hi, insert variables, first name. In our list, we're going to find something to congratulate them on. So you can find something that they won, award, recognition. Congrats on winning top 100 companies to work for in San Diego. Reason for my emails because we help personal injury law firms like their company convert their site traffic to appointments using an AI chatbot to engage them in conversation, ask questions, and set appointments. Then the next line, we're going to add a case study. We're going to say, we just helped John's law firm set 20 new personal injury case appointments last month using it. 200% increase. And then call to action. Could I send a personalized video sharing how company name could do the same? Cheers, Austin company. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do social media for real estate agents. Same principles are going to apply for all of these. So subject line, I'm going to do thoughts, first name, question mark. Hi, first name. So our first line is going to be a personalized line. We're going to tie it in back to our list, assuming that we have the city that this real estate agent works in. We're going to say, how's the market in city? Heard is going to pick up this spring with interest rates predicting to go down. Real estate agents, we know the interest rates might go down next year. So that can be a connection point based off of the industry. So after that, we're going to say, with that, we would love to help you become the most known agent in city, stay top of mind to your referrals, and get 2 new buyer leads per week from your Instagram. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write our next line, which is, we developed the real estate social system that does just this. Pun intended. And you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on leads, rely on inconsistent referrals, or sit at another open house. This line is talking about the unique mechanism, pun intended, makes you seem a little bit more human. Then we're going to do our call to action, which is going to be, could I shoot you over a personal video on how we could help turn your Instagram into a buyer and seller generating asset? And then our final line is going to be a PS case study. Sally at New Real Estate just closed 2 deals last month from her Instagram, previously relying solely on sitting at open houses. Smiley face. Cheers, Austin, agency, you. So these are 3 different first emails that you can start sending to people when it comes to your niche. We want to have a series of follow-up emails to our clients. I'm going to go ahead and just walk through a few follow-up emails that have worked really well for us. So with the first emails, you could test out different openers, different angles, but if they don't respond, we're going to send a series of follow-up emails that are going to make sure that we're staying top of mind to the people that we are, in fact, emailing. I'm going to quickly write an email sequence for our first offer, which was lead gen for chiropractors. Inside of Instantly, if you click on add step, then we can basically say we're going to wait for 3 days, and then we're going to create the follow-up. The follow-up email is going to be, hi, first name. Curious if you had any interest in our chiro social system that could help you get 5 patients per week. We just helped Back Chiropractor get 8 new patients last week for just $25 each. We're doing a case study, how one of their competitors is getting 8 patients last week, and we're calling out how much it cost. Anyway, let me know if you want the video to share exactly how it works. We're not being hardcore of like, let's book a call. Do you have time tomorrow? We say, cheers, Austin, agency, you. Then we're going to add another step, which is make that 2 days later. We're going to use the same subject line. We're going to do, hi, first name. Seems like you're avoiding me like a misaligned spine avoids a chiropractor. Emoji. This is sort of like a pattern interrupt that's going to just get their attention. Then we're going to say, anyway, we generated over 523 leads last week for chiropractors around the US and only work with 1 per area. Could be you. And then we're putting a little sense of urgency. Then for call to action, I'm just going to say reply yes, and I can shoot over a quick doc sharing how our system can work for you. Cheers, Austin. The next one, let's just do 1 day later. The same subject line. I'm just going to do hi, first name. Last message here. Feedback is important to us on how we could best help you and your business grow. And what we're going to do, going back to my last point, is we're going to give them a couple options. We're going to say, A, I'm not interested in generating leads from my chiro office. We're going to give them a couple options. We're going to make it really easy for them to respond. Can you please let me know? A, I'm interested in generating leads for my chiro office. Send me more info. B, I'm not interested in generating leads for my chiro office. C, I retired. D, follow up in 2 months. Cheers, Austin. Another thing that I do, I'll do like a 30-day follow-up, and I'll kind of take the same sequence above, work it a little bit, and just add it as a follow-up. I'll actually add another 30-day follow-up, and I'll say, hey, it's been about 30 days since I last reached out. Curious if revisiting this together is worthwhile. Austin. P.S. We just helped X Factor Chiro get 53 new patients last month, a record high for them. And then you could even do another 30-day follow-up, just even nurture them further if that was an option for you. So that is how you can write the perfect cold email script for your business. The software that I use to write the cold email script and the follow-up sequences is called Instantly. It's a tool that allows you to automate your cold emails so you can send thousands of cold emails every single day. You can check it out in the link in the description. Also, go ahead and click on this video right here if you want to learn how to get clients with cold email in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.